Today I'm going to be making a chopped pot roast for dinner.
We'll put just a little bit of this avocado oil in there. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on top of that, just a little.
Black pepper, onion, carrots, celery, lemon pepper. This chopped garlic, garlic powder, onion powder, a stick of butter, whole stick, shakeroo of Lipton onion soup packet, red wine. Let it cook for like 6 hours.
All right, guys, we're ready for pulling this pot roast out and see how it did today on 250 for probably 6 hours. Oh yeah, I can tell already. That's what you call a chuck pot roast.